Hi everyone, it's Eric Wins from Flywheel Studio. I want to answer another question on the Adalo forum today. So, Passion was saying they have a tool, they have two user groups, creators and companies. And basically, they want companies to be able to find creator profiles, but they don't want the companies to be able to see every creative. Adalo doesn't support deep links, so you need a way for somebody to come to the application, find somebody, and then be able to book their services. So what I think the easiest thing to do here would be, and you can do this before or after sign up, but basically what you're going to do is have users and probably have something that's Boolean like this. Is it a creator? Okay, so we can filter our lists. And I'm going to change this username to referral code. Okay. You could have it be ID, anything like that. And then what I'd do is I would put in a list. Okay. And let's see, list. I mean, you can do a card list, right? So, what you're going to do is this is going to be a list of users, and it's going to be users who are a creator is true. And then not sure if you can, I don't think you can use the actual search here because it only searches the magic text fields that are visible. But what you can do is create a list here or an input here. And what we're going to do is filter this so that the referral code is equal to the text input. And that means that anyone using this, they'll need the code from the creator, and they need to enter it exactly in order to see it here. And when you go to this screen, yeah, we can preview this. Actually, let me just get rid of these other screens so we don't have to log in. There's nothing there. There's nothing to see because there's no, the list, well, first off, the list doesn't have anything, but we can go put something in there. Let's add one record. Okay. Make them a creator. So now if you're a business going into the app and you are looking for your creator, you go in, you enter your referral code, okay, and then that person will come up and you can see their profile. And you would want to format this list differently because there's only going to be one person on here. So you would probably, remove the two columns, make it one column. You could have it bring up their entire profile. You could use a custom list and make something really beautiful there. You can click into it and go to their profile, but that is how I would do it. And then I would give the businesses the option to save the profiles. So they don't have to enter the referral code every time, and then they can have a bank of the creators. This would just be the discovery page to see new profiles. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section.